Hi guys, it's Ruth. Today I'm going to show you some products from Dixie Plates that Kate Dix was kind enough to send me. In the past I've reviewed their products through the UK Stockist, which is Nail Stamping Queen UK, and loved them. So I was really happy when she contacted me about this. So I think I'm some kind of official reviewer now, which seems really surreal. In any case, these are the newest releases from Dixie Plates. We have this beautiful plate that is full of different styles of letters and numbers and some other languages down here and speech bubbles, which will make really cute nails. And my particular favourite are these paint splatter letters. I don't know, there's something really unusual about those. So we're going to see what we can come up with that at some point. And then we have a Mega Mani Mix 2, as the name suggests, a mixture of different kinds of patterns and designs. And we've got these, not astrology, astronomy constellations here. So the different star shapes you can see in the sky at night. Is there the Big Dipper? There's not many that I'm not familiar with, to be honest, but really cool original designs. Got some tartan, some damask type patterns, this like Jackson Pollock paint splatter type thing, stripy patterns, lots of different snake skin, and a really tiny fine leopard print, which I think is adorable. Lace, florals. This plate has a little bit of everything. Beautiful. Then there is the newest smaller plate from Dixie Plates that I've been sent that is marble designs. Again, wonderful. And what's really extra special about Dixie Plates is they have the wider images and longer images that will fit a bigger range of nail sizes. So they work great on toes, they work great on acrylic extensions. You get more options with Dixie Plates, I think. Yeah, I think I might try this one out later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. They also sent me a clear stamper of the kind that I really love. But this one is monogrammed with the Dixie Plate logo. Oh, I love it. I'm just going to show this one up close a little bit. Let's look at it. It's the kind that has crystals in the base. Can you see the crystals? Oh, so pretty. It has a large domed clear stamper, which, to be honest, I don't tend to go for, because my favourite part is the clear, more flat stamper on the top here. And you can take the part off there so that you can change stampers. You could use this one separately as well, obviously, in this holder, but you wouldn't be able to see what you were stamping with it. Whereas with this part of the holder, which you could change that part into, you can really see what you're doing. Let's look at it through. Oh yes, it looks lovely. So I'll try that one out in this video later on. That's wonderful. I'll link to Kate Dix's channel because she is a wonderful stamper in her own right, obviously, and I'll link to the Instagram and the UK Stockist down below. I'm going to think through my design, maybe try it out a little bit, and then I'll come back to show you stamping one of the nails so you can get an idea of how these plates work. Also check out my Instagram, because within the next few days I'll be posting designs using each plate and talking a bit more in depth about what I liked about them. Okay. So I have started a design using these two images in the top corner of the plate, and this is what I've come up with. What I did was apply 2 coats of this grey polish called Wet Cement by Sally Hansen, and then in a moment I'll apply Pearl Jammin by China Glaze, which is like a grey blue with gold sheen, like a duochrome sheen to it, over this, and that will be like a tacky layer to help the stamping stick. Once I'll wait for it to be about 80% dry. Then I'm gonna stamp with gold stamping polish. This is a Born Pretty one. The smaller detail image, and then over the top of that with this Conad black stamping polish, the top details that make it look like marble. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's a really quick and effective way to have a marble design without having to know how to freehand or worrying about paints and things. Yeah, I'm going to go through it. I'm going to use the Dixie Plates stamper as well. That Kate was kind enough to send my way. I was also sent these scrapers. If you can see, one is opaque, this white one, and quite thick and stiff. You can see how it bends. And then this one is much, much bendier, the frosted effect one. So I think this will be my preference, because I tend to like a more bendy, flexible scraper. And I'll show you how they all work together.